To create a chatbot, go to MagicSchool AI, log in, click an educator, and then you have two options, either to log in with your Glow account or create account with your personal email. Then click Launch to Students, launch new room, and customize the name. So for example, 3D, the date when you opened your room, choose a grade, for example 8th grade, and how many students can access your room. So in my case that would be 30, and then click Next. Here you can choose what kind of tools students can use. So for example, chatbots. And then from here you can choose what type of chatbot you are going to use. So in my case, there will be a character chatbot. Click. And then tutor me with AI. If I don't want one of the tools, I'm going to click remove. If I'm happy with choice of my tools, I'm going to click next. Here I can customize my chatbot. So I'm going to keep the name as it is. In the description, I am going to change chat with Marie Curie. And then I will keep the grade as it is, and below I'm going to type character, so Marie Curie. Here I can customize what students can see. So if I click on this eye icon, students are going to be able to change the character. If I hide it, they are not allowed to change it. Then I'm going to click Next and Generate. So here, hello, I am Marie Curie, a scientist who discovered radium and polonium, and so on. So this is going to show us how the chatbot is going to look like. Then click Done, and then Launch Room. From here, I can share URL and copy and paste, or I can use join codes, for example QR code or the website and the enter code for students to join. When students access MagicSchool, they will need to type their name, for example Adam. Then students will read how to use MagicSchool responsibly. Then they will click Acknowledge, and then they can use character chatbot. They will click Generate, and now they can ask any questions related to Marie Curie. They may ask, why are you famous? Then we'll click here, and the AI will generate the response. Then they can ask follow-up questions and also use, for example, read aloud.
I am famous for my groundbreaking research in the field of radioactivity.
They can use actions to translate in different language. So say Polish. They can clarify, so examples, and so on. If they finished, they just can close the window. You as an educator have access to students' chats. If your student wrote something inappropriate, you will be notified about it. So when you click on it, you will exactly see what the student wrote. If you want to give access to this room, you can give students this link. So click Actions and then Show Students Join Info. And when you share with them this link, they will have access to their previous task. So for example, output history, and they could continue with the thread they started. Or you can start from scratch and again click character chatbot and start a new chat with a character. Here you can also pause students' access or lock the room or remove students from this room. At the top of the page here you can pause the room or lock it or keep it active. You can also modify the room at any time. You need to go to your room, then 3 dots, edit room, and here you can add more tools. For example, roleplay, student chatbot support, and so on. Click Next, and again here you can customize those tools, and then you will click Update Room, and now when student acts, they will have access to 2 additional tools. Finally, if you want to, you can remove your room, click 3 dots, delete, and basically what you need to do is just to type the name of the room, type it here, and then delete room.